Hey guys, welcome back to episode 4 of our Starting a Hair Business series. Quick update as far as where I am in the process. I am actively searching on Alibaba for vendors. I know that I mentioned in the beginning, maybe episode 1, that I was going to be sourcing raw hair from Vietnamese hair, as well as maybe Indian hair. But I've been taking a look at my target audience, and this is a perfect example of what I meant when I mentioned to you guys to keep your avatar in mind, because it will come in handy when you need to make decisions for your business. I realized after looking at some of the demographic, psychographic interest of my avatar that because of her line of work, she probably was going to be getting different kinds of styles than just wearing wigs. This prompted me to maybe look into more maybe textured hair, because she might have kinky curly hair. She might be using tape and extensions. She might be getting sew-ins. She might even be using K-tips. She's probably not going to be wearing a wig. I'm thinking that this hair might blend better with her hair. This is just where my thought process is right now. I'm talking to Cambodian hair vendors, and I wanted to share with you guys because I know some of you might already be hip to talking to vendors, but this is like the trenches, baby. We in it. We definitely in the trenches right now. So I thought it would be helpful to give you guys some questions that maybe you can just keep saved in your notes, saved somewhere, and you can refer back to this video when you're talking to your own vendors. Here are some of the questions that you guys can ask your vendors. They are pretty self-explanatory, but if you have questions about my questions, then just leave it in the comments. Here are the last 2 questions. If you guys have any additional questions that you asked that you didn't see on this list, please leave them in the comments as well, because again, I do want these videos to serve as a resource for anyone who might be coming along on this journey. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.